Hey guys, so come with me, let me show you behind the scene of how my work day is normally like. So you normally see me online, but you have never seen me behind the scenes. So the first thing I do, I start my day by checking my emails. This is very important because I have persons who might download sneak peeks from a Beacon store, persons who purchase from the Beacon store, and I have persons who are also purchasing from the Gumroad store. So all these persons, I have to reach out to them and do a follow-up to also schedule an appointment for a training. Once that is done, I do a quick WhatsApp onboarding and then schedule a meeting for all those persons who just bought a program or just need training. And this is where I'll send them a link to their email for them to join me in this meeting, which will last for 1 hour. So each customer is 1 hour. So you can imagine sometimes you want to text me and can't get me, it's because I have things doing, right? So once I have all the trainings out the way, I make a note of each training so I can track all the customers' progress, see what they need, what step they need to take, and so I can do a follow-up every single day until they are good to go, especially persons who buy the shipping company module. So I'm also using the day to complete different projects. So here I have a customer who reached out and she paid me to do a Beacon store for her. So now I'm here creating the store, putting the products, uploading the programs, everything that she needs to get going. So remember I told you guys, when you have a program, you learn what is inside there so you can also offer services from in the program. You don't have to sell the program. This is what I mean, all right? And learning from me is very important. So even though I have these programs and my team advanced, I am still learning. So guess what? When I have free time, I have to go through and see things I need to brush up on to make sure that I can offer an exceptional service to customers. Because guess what? I don't want to be selling something and I don't know how to help the person who is buying it. By the way, the first thing I actually did this morning was to check my shipping company. Our business partner does a 9 to 5, so I have to go in there and check on some stuff, and I had some emails to send off and some emails to check as well. Not to mention WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a whole different thing by itself because WhatsApp keeps going off per second, right? And of course, I have my Canva right here. This is where I come to create my digital products, my books, logos. If I have design for customer store, if I have design for my store, I might have an idea. I say, okay, then let's go and create a digital products, and I'm gonna have to add it to my store as well, right? Send out emails, broadcasts, and stuff like that. And it's now 2:02 p.m. and I'm still not done. I have a few hours to go. That is what my day is like. And I haven't gone live as yet. I haven't gone live as yet. So that is a part of my day. This is what I've made so far since the day I started, and I do have a few sales inside of Beacon. Trust me, not every day is like this. Some days it's drought and some days it's a festivity, so you have to enjoy. The main thing is that you keep consistent, put in the work, and just do it without expectations. That being said, digital marketing is rewarding. However, it is not for the weak, and it is not for the lazy, and I try my best not to procrastinate most of the time because sometimes, trust me, I'm burn out, but I go take a break and come back and boom, like today, right? Again, I'm FITZROY and welcome to my world. Peace out. See you next time.